Hello my dear friends, I welcome you all for this lecture. How are you all? I think all of you fine. So today we will discuss the chapter number 13, that is kinetic theory. Okay, so the previous chapter, the chapter 11, that is thermal properties of matter. In that chapter I discussed the gas laws. That gas laws will study the introduction part of this, the kinetic theory. So introduction part of this, we will see again gas laws. Gas laws. So gas laws, so these are the laws, 3 laws, and the first law is Boyle's law, second law is Chas law, and third law is Gay-Lussac law. These 3 laws says the relation between 3 parts. So what are the relation between pressure, relation between volume and temperature. It explains the relation between pressure, volume and temperature. So here the gas laws, the 3 laws are there. That what are the 3 laws? First one is Boyle's law. You see that laws. First one is Boyle's law. So the Boyle's law. The statement of Boyle's law is what? That is, the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to pressure at constant temperature. So statement. So that is, the volume of a given mass of a gas, that is inversely proportional to what? The pressure at constant temperature. At constant temperature. So suppose the V is directly proportional to 1 by T at constant T. So here we'll see the proportionality is anti-equal sign. So we'll write V is equal to 1 by T into constant, or constant divided by constant divided by T at constant T at constant T. So after that, suppose the V is equal to constant divided by P. So P you take this side, so that is the P is equal to constant. So this is the equation for Boyle's law. So Boyle's law equation is what? PV is equal to constant. This is for 1 mole of gas for n number of times, or for first you take 2 number of terms. Suppose the P1, or P1, P2 are the pressures, P1, P2 are the volumes. So that time the P1, V1 is equal to P2, V2 is equal to constant. This is for 2 number of terms. For n number of terms, the equation becomes, so suppose the P1, P2, dash up to Pn are the n number of pressures, and P1, P2, dash are the Pn are the n number of volumes. That time the equation becomes the P1 is equal to P2 is equal to constant, or dash up to Pn is equal to constant. So this is the Boyle's law. So Boyle's law is what? the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to pressure at constant temperature, and the equation is PV is equal to constant. Okay, so this is a Boyle's law. Then after that we will see the second law. So second law, that is Charles law. Second law, that is Charles law. The statement of Charles law is what? The volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. So the volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. At constant pressure. Then again the proportionality sign too, you should take equal sign. So that is the V is equal to, we should take constant into T at constant pressure and constant P. Then the T take this side, so that is P by T is equal to constant. P by T is equal to constant. For two number of terms, you should take, suppose the V1 and V2 are the volumes, okay, and the T1 and T2 are the temperatures. Then the equation becomes the V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2 is equal to constant. Then for n number of turns, the V1, V2 dash 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 up to Vn are the volumes. Then the T1, T2 dash 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 up to Tn are the temperatures. Then this equation becomes the V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2 is equal to dash 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 up to Vn by Tn is equal to constant. Is equal to constant. Okay, so this is a Charles law. So the statement of Charles law is what? The volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure, where the V is directly proportional to T at constant P. So V is equal to constant into T at constant T. So the equation for Charles law is what? The V by T is equal to constant. For two number of terms, that is the V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2 is equal to constant. For n number of terms, the equation is V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2 is equal to dash dash up to Vn by Tn is equal to constant. So next one, this is about Charles law, and the next third law is what? That is Gay-Lussac law. Third law is what? Gay-Lussac law. And the statement of Gay-Lussac law is what? The pressure of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to temperature at constant value. Okay, so that is the pressure is directly proportional to temperature at constant value. Okay, so the proportionality sign too, again you should take equal sign. Okay, so that is P is directly proportional to T at constant field. Okay, proportionality sign too, you should take equal sign. Then you should take one constant. P is equal to constant into T at constant value. So T take this side, so that is P by T is equal to constant. So this is the equation for Gay-Lussac law. So equation for Gay-Lussac law is what? P by T is equal to constant. For two number of terms, Suppose the P1 and P2 are the pressures, T1 and T2 are the temperatures. That time the equation becomes the P1 by P1 is equal to P2 by P2 is equal to constant. Okay, so that is the here the equation for two terms. For n number of terms, suppose the P1, P2, dash dash up to Pn are the pressures, and the T1, T2 dash 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 up to Tn are the temperatures. That time the equation is the P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by P2 is equal to dash 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 up to Pn by Tn is equal to constant. So this is a Gay-Lussac law. So here the three laws are Boyle's law, Charles law and Gay-Lussac law. The important gas laws are there, and the perfect gas equation. Okay, what is the equation? The PV is equal to nRT. Okay, so the all gas laws obey the perfect gas equation. Okay, so here I repeat the gas laws. Okay, the Boyle's law. What is Boyle's law? That is the value of the given mass of the gas is inversely proportional to pressure at constant T, at constant temperature. Then Charles law is what? That is the volume is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. And the Gay-Lussac law is what? The pressure is directly proportional to temperature. Okay, pressure of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to temperature at constant value. Okay, so these are the three laws, gas laws, and after that we'll see about the perfect gas or the ideal gas equation. Okay. So in previous chapter, okay, thermal properties of matter, in that we have studied the perfect gas equation derivation. Okay, so what is the equation for perfect gas equation for ideal gases? Then that is the PV perfect gas equation. Or it is also known as ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. Perfect gas equation or ideal gas equation. So for 1 mole of gas, that is the PV is equal to RT. Okay, this is the equation for 1 mole of gas. Okay, for 1 mole of gas, for n mole of gas, the PV is equal to nRT. Okay, for n mole of gas. For n mole of gas, PV is equal to nRT. Okay, this is the equation for the perfect gas equation or ideal gas equation. Then here, what is the P then? What is P? P is the pressure. In this case, in this equation, P is the pressure of 1 mole of gas. What is V? P is the volume of 1 mole of gas. Then R is the universal gas constant and T is the temperature of 1 mole of gas. Then for this equation, here the P is the pressure for n mole of gas. P is the volume for n mole of gas, R is the universal gas constant and T is the temperature for n mole of gas and n is the number of moles of gas. Okay, n number of moles of gas. So this is the perfect gas equation. So today we will stop after this much, and Again, the next part of this kinetic theory we'll see in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.